Hello, I'm excited to introduce you to Maxybyte, the ultimate school management apps that transform the way school operates in Nigeria. Managing a school can be stressful, tracking payments, handling assignments, and keeping parents informed. But with Maxybyte, everything becomes effortless. Parents can pay school fees securely, receive instant receipts, and track their children's progress in real time. Schools get transparent records, easy communication, and complete control over their operations. With Maxybyte, you get instant payment confirmations and receipts, smooth communications between schools and parents, effortless homework, and student performance tracking. It is time to simplify school management. Join the future with Maxybyte today. Visit our website or call us to get started. Let's make school management stress-free together.